Hello everyone. The next topic which we will be going to discuss is about the NADPH. So what is the full form of NADPH? Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. So this is the full form of NADPH. NADPH is the reduced form of NAD+. So let's discuss what is this, what is the function of NADPH. Let's get started. Now, as I have told that this is a reduced form of NAD+, the major source of NADPH in animals and other non-photosynthetic organisms is the pentose phosphate pathway by glucose 6 dehydrogenase in the first step. Now, this is the structure of NADP plus NADH pathway, or this is the molecule which has been represented here in the form of the structure. Now next is the full form has been already told to you. Now it refers to a cofactor that which dominates, which denotes the electrons and hydrogen to reactions that is catalyzed by the sum of the enzymes. Now it provides electrons and protons to the dark reaction of the photosynthesis, and this is called as the cell's reducing power. If we talk about NADPH, then it contains an extra phosphate group. So you can see that the P here, they have an extra phosphate group. Now it is involved in the photosynthesis and NADPH is the reduced form of NADP+. So this is the reduced form. Now next is, what are the functions of NADPH? NADPH, they provides the reducing equivalence for biosynthetic reactions and oxidation reduction that is involved in protecting against the toxicity of the reactive oxygen species, or which is also called as ROS, and they will also allow the regeneration of glutathione. Now it is used in the anabolic pathways. It is used in the anabolic pathways such as cholesterol synthesis. There is a steroid synthesis, as ascorbic acid synthesis, cytosolic fatty acid synthesis, and micromal fatty acid chain. So these are the examples of anabolic pathways. If we talk about anabolic pathway, then this is a set of metabolic pathway that construct molecules from the smaller unit. So these types of reactions, they require energy, and anabolism is the building aspect of metabolism, where catabolism is the breaking down aspect, and anabolism is usually the synonymous with the biosynthesis. Now the NADPH system, it is also responsible for generating free radicals in the immune cells by NADPH oxidase. Now these radicals, they are used to destroy the pathogens in a process that is termed the respiratory burst. It is also a source of reducing equivalents for cytochrome P450 hydroxylation of aromatic compounds, steroids, alcohols, and the drugs. So this was all about the functions of the NADPH. Now if we talk about the stability, then both these molecules, if we talk about NADH and NADPH, which has an extra phosphate group, both of them are very stable in basic solutions. But if there is NADP plus and NAD plus, they are degraded in the basic solutions into a fluorescent product that will conveniently be used for the quantification. So NADPH and NADH, they are degraded by the acidic solution, while NAD plus and NADP plus, they are fairly stable to the acid. Now, NADPH can be used as a coenzyme. So enzymes that use NADPH, they are used as a coenzyme. For example, in vertebrates, it serves as the first enzyme in the chain of mitochondrial P450 system that synthesizes the steroid hormone. And it can also act as a substrate. So enzymes that use NADPH, they can also be used as a substrate. For example, if we talk about the 2018 and 2019 report, there were two reports that said that enzymes that catalyze the removal of 2-phosphate of NADPH in eukaryotes, they emerged. First, the cytoplasmic protein MESH1, then the mitochondrial protein were reported. So this was about the enzyme as substrate. Now, these are the structural, these are some of the models, ball and stick models of NAD plus and NADPH. So this is how this looks like. Now this is the reference. Thank you.